The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
Police shooting of 45-year-old Latoya Buju in Granville, St. James, during a community protest on Sunday, May 17, 2026. Like many Jamaicans, I have watched the circulating videos and listened carefully to the growing public concern surrounding this tragic incident. At the center of this matter is a simple but fundamental principle. The right to life is sacred. Our Constitution guarantees that right to every Jamaican, and no state authority is above its protection. As opposition spokesperson on youth and human rights, I cannot remain silent while serious questions emerge about the conduct of law enforcement, the absence of body-worn cameras, and the apparent contradictions in the public positions of senior government officials. In my capacity as an attorney at law, I'm also representing the family at the center of this tragedy, as I have represented many other Jamaican families seeking justice, accountability, and constitutional protection in matters involving alleged state excesses and violations of fundamental rights. This issue is therefore not only political or public in nature, but deeply personal to grieving families who continue to seek answers from the state. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has already interdicted the officer involved, and INDICOM has launched an investigation. However, the Jamaican people deserve more than procedural announcements. They deserve truth, transparency, and accountability. What is especially alarming is the confirmation that none of the officers on the scene were equipped with body-worn cameras, despite repeated assurances from the government that hundreds of these devices had already been secured and deployed. The Prime Minister previously declared that body cameras were essential in modern rights respecting policing, while the police commissioner publicly defended the rollout program. Yet today, in one of the most scrutinized police shootings in recent memory, there is no official body camera footage available to the public. I also note the recent public comments from the Honorable Dr. Harris Chan, questioning the practicality of body-worn cameras in certain operations. Those statements now demand urgent clarification. If cameras are necessary for accountability, why were they absent in Granville? The killing of Latoya Buchanan raises broader concerns about the protection of women, vulnerable citizens, and the constitutional obligations of the state. No Jamaican woman should lose her life under circumstances that leave the country searching for answers through cell phone videos and social media clips. I therefore call on the Honorable Dr. Harris Chan to immediately address the nation and provide a full account of the government's position and actions regarding this matter. Dr. Kevin Blake to publicly explain why body-worn cameras were not in use during the operation and what corrective measures will now be implemented. The authorities to ensure that INDICOM is allowed to conduct a completely independent investigation free from interference or political pressure. I further call for urgent policy reforms, including the mandatory deployment of body-worn cameras for all crowd control operations and strengthened training surrounding the use of lethal force. This matter is not about politics. It is about preserving public trust in the rule of law and defending the constitutional rights of every Jamaican citizen. The people of Jamaica are demanding answers, and rightly so. I stand with every Jamaican calling for justice, transparency, and respect for the Constitution. Justice for Buju. Respect for the Constitution. Protect our women.
Visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.